Hi everyone, I'm Yi. This is my team member Mei Xue. Next, our group will continue to develop the food area. We divided folio into 5 sections. Let's move to the plant area. This is the method of growing soil plants. The excess water will flow into the tree with a hole in the bottom of the container, and the water in the tree can be reused. However, the hydroponic system is a water-based solution, rich in nutrients and oxygen, which are delivered directly to the plants through the roots. The spilled water will drip down and be recycled. On the basis of original, we added plant soil and growing purple lights to the original plant shape to increase the sense of reality. The next one will show how to get protein on Mars. In this part, I will introduce the methods of ingesting protein on Mars, including 3D printing food and cell agriculture. The rest of mission will be introduced in Unreal. The first method is 3D printing food, a paste made of water, protein, and powdered carbohydrates will serve as the basis for 3D printing food by mixing vitamin and mineral mixtures, spices, pigments, and oils into a paste. This is a fungal protein fermenter. The third is the cell culture method, which is divided into 2 different methods. The first is cell cultivation method. This method refers to growing meat directly from cells. Stem cells can be collected from animals by pellets biopsy. These cells are then fed nutrients in a culture vessel, where they multiply and differentiate. As they grow, they become muscle tissue. Another one is hybrid products combine plant-based and cultured ingredients to develop taste and sustainable products. This page will show the vessel of cell agriculture. And this is the insect breeding box. Next section is the storage room. This is a shelf for items like everyday tools, vacuum-packed feces, plant nutrients, vacuum-packed food, and some insect feed. We represent them with icons. We choose the modular way for the shapes of the storage area. In order to reduce the load of goods, we can adopt a more flexible and environmentally friendly method. The mycelium is used to create a piece of board, which is easy to remove and install, and also saves space. Let's move to the energy part. These two are methods of absorbing solar energy. The artificial leaves made of silicon rubber absorb energy and fuel chemicals reactions to make drugs and other compounds. Solar panels collect energy from a central power station and send it to where it's needed. We used Kisha to render the overall model. This is a rendering. This is a section view of the building. I marked what each part is in the figure. Next, we designed a lot of logos about Mars One and tried different fonts. These are the logo details we use in the scene. In the picture, we show 4 different scenes in different time periods, slowly changing from day to night. Here are some details in the room scene, including fermentation tanks, hydroponic plants, food being 3D printed, and insects growing in boxes. The details on the next page are about the engine room and airlock scene. This is our storyboard. We use a silhouette to show the way people live in the space. And finally, this is our reflection. And I will show the Unreal and make sure we'll introduce more details in Unreal.
Hi, I'm Meishu. I will introduce the content of our Unreal. When we get close to the airlock, we add the trigger box at the gate so that it can open and close automatically within this range. And I also put our own logo on the both sides of the door. After entering the airlock, there will be smoke effect and sound. And when we stay away from it, the sound of the smoke will become very light. We can see that I also put a logo on the ground. When we passing through the second door, it can press Alt to open it and enter the door, and it will open the close automatically. And I always say to close with P. So you can move to the plan area first. Okay, let's move to the plan area. The plan area is divided into two rooms. So we first enter the soil plan room, and we can see two rows of the purple light. And I use the LED material, which is used to inhibit the growth of the plants. And we planted tomatoes and carrots in the soil. Okay, then we went to the hydroponic plant area. We put the box into the cube and change it into a material of water creases in the representative plants. Then let's take a look at the protein area. When we enter the room, we can see a lot of experimental equipment. This is a container for making our fungal protein. At a protein source, fungal protein grows with a small amount of sugar in the fermenter may also be a suitable choice to provide stable and psychologically acceptable protein source. And the two transparent boxes next to our insect breeding box. Because insects are the source of the high quality protein, this insect incubator is designed for the durability, convenience clean, sterilization, and humidification through the external control. The transparent material is more convenient to observe the condition of the insects. In middle area, it's made of rubber, which is convenient, soft, and comfortable when reaching in, and animal will not climb out. For the base of the cell agriculture, some of the remaining experimental tools are the containers and fermenters for the cell agriculture that we have made because cell can not only grow about 0.5 millimeter thick in the culture, it is easily to grow minced meat. That thick things like the stick. It's a good choice to make the burger. So let's move to the 3D printing food area. Okay. Um, 3D produced food can be customized, and the aroma is supplemented by the inkjet technology. We also see some animation. When we press O, the four printers will work together about some printable food. Let's take a close look at this lovely food. Yes, that's really cute. Okay, let's move to the center of the first floor. We can see the oxygen generator protected by the transparent protective cover. There are many small holes around the protective cover, and oxygen will spray from the holes to all parts of the room. And let's go to the second floor. The middle is the energy area. It can provide water and oxygen, especially the tree in the middle can not only provide oxygen, but also make people feel nature and peace. The material of the outer layer is transparent. People can see that a wide field of vision is also helpful for mental health. Then we went out to the storage room, have to look. Then we went out to the storeroom to have a look. I will say press O to open the door. Yeah, we can put some tools on the shelf. When we want to go outside, we can press O to open again. Okay, this is all our present. Thank you.